Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 10 Physics tutorial. The topic is work, power and energy. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की कुछ लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, न जीत होती न जश्न ही मनाते हम, न जीत होती न जश्न ही मनाते हम, जरा भी हार से डरते तो हार जाते हम, जरा भी हार से डरते तो हार जाते हम. खुदा का शुक्र के मौजों से दो दो हाथ किए, खुदा का शुक्र के मौजों से दो दो हाथ किए, तुम्हारी आस में रहते तो डूब जाते हम, तुम्हारी आस में रहते तो डूब जाते हम. थैंक यू. The first question is define 1 joule of work. The question can be asked like this also. State and define the SI unit of work. And you know that the SI unit of work is joule. Okay. Answer 1 joule. 1 joule. Now before we define 1 joule, let's see these 2-3 steps. Now, we know that W is equal to Fs, this formula we know. And in this formula we are substituting, we are putting F is equal to 1 Newton, S is equal to 1 meter, then we get W is equal to 1 joule. Yeah, see, F is equal to 1 Newton, S is equal to 1 meter, so 1 into 1 is 1, that means W is equal to 1 joule we are getting. Now from here only we can define 1 joule. How? Just see, 1 joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces a body by 1 meter in its own direction. Okay? Clear? Fine. Now the next question is define 1 erg. The CGS unit of work. Define 1 erg. Answer 1 erg. Now from the definition of 1 joule you have to make 2 changes. In place of 1 Newton write down 1 dyne, and in place of 1 meter you write down 1 centimeter. Then the same will be the definition of 1 erg. So we can say that 1 erg is the amount of work done when a force of 1 dyne displaces a body by 1 centimeter in its own direction. This is the definition of 1 erg. Okay. The next question is establish the relation 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to the power 7 erg. This relation we have to derive, we have to establish. Alright. In other words, a relation between the SI unit of work and the CGS unit of work. Okay, answer. W is equal to Fs, we know. If we put F is equal to 1 Newton and S is equal to 1 meter, then we get W is equal to 1 joule. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter, right? Now 1 Newton, we know from the chapter force, 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to the power 5 dyne. So 10 raised to the power 5 dyne. And 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 100 means 10 raised to the power 2. Now, by using laws of exponents, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So 5 plus 2 is 7, so we get 10 raised to the power 7. And directly don't write down here only erg. First you write down dyne into centimeter, because it is dyne into centimeter which is erg. 1 dyne centimeter is equal to 1 erg. Okay, so this step please write down 10 raised to the power 7 dyne into centimeter, and then write down 10 raised to the power 7 erg. So the relation we obtained, 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to the power 7 arc. Clear? I hope everything is very, very clear. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.